Hey, hi all. In this video we will discuss about report type in Salesforce. So report type decides which all fields and records are available for use when creating a particular report. It also defines set of records and fields available in a report based on the relationship between a primary object and its related objects. So for an example, we want to create a we want to create a report. Oh, my bad. So now if we want to create a report, so basically first thing to create a report we have to know is what we want in that particular report. That is the one thing, what all data we are expecting in that particular report, as we discussed in the last video. What are the best practices when you want to collect the data or when you want to report on any data. So the first thing is what all data you require out of that particular report. So what all data is required in that particular report is the first question which you will have. So that data to be there on the report, the underlining thing is the report type. So now there are two types of report, means like there are two report types. One is standard report type and the second one is custom report type. So when we say standard report type, it means that the existing report type which we have in the system and which are marked as standard. The custom report type which we will be creating according to our needs. So for an example, we want to have a report on accounts where we want to see the account owner's email ID. In that case, if you go with the standard report type for the accounts, you will get only the account owner name. You will not get the account owner details, means like as there is a lookup relationship which holds all the data of that particular account owner, but you will not get or you cannot expose any other detail of that particular account owner in this case. So let's go in the org and see an example. So if I click on new report and it may take some time. Okay, fine. So this is a report type name. The name of the report type is accounts and the category is standard. If you go to all the report types which we have in our org and how many of them are standard, so all the report types which are default present in the org, they will be standard if you haven't created any custom report as of now. So if I want to capture the information about account and the user, because the owner field which we have on the account object is nothing but a lookup to user. So there is no report type names which states that accounts with users or account and users or owners. So if I go to account and if I create a report out of it, so this is nothing but a report builder. So if I go to this section where I will have all the fields, if I go to owner, so you can see only I will get account owner, alias, then owner role, but I will not get the account owner email ID. So in that case, if we want to get the details of the account owner or any other field regarding that account owner, might be department, might be company, might be the role of that particular account owner, in that case we need to create a custom report type. So how we can create a custom report type? We have to just navigate to setup, and then in the quick find we have to just type in report type, and then we have to go to report type, and then we have to just click on this new custom report type button. Then a window will pop up, not a window will pop up, but window will be there. You can select the primary object will be accounts. You can say accounts with user, and here you can mention account with, oh sorry, it's account owner details. So the description is mandatory, suggesting that like why you have created this, and then in which category you want to store it, in the accounts and contacts. So there is one major thing. If the deployment status of a particular report type is in development, you cannot use that particular report type for your reporting purpose or while creating a report. So if it is in development mode, then that particular report type will not be available in this particular window. Once you have selected the deployed, then only that particular report type will be available for the selection in this particular window. Okay, so I will keep it in deployed, then I will hit next. So now we want only one object, and in that object we want to expose the account owner fields. So I will hit save button. Now your report type is ready. Just what all fields you want on the layout in the report builder for the selection part, that you have to make it here available. So all the fields which are there on the account are available in this custom report type. Now we will edit the layout to add the fields which we want on the report. So now if you go to this, if you see view account fields, add fields related via lookup. So when you click on this link, you will get all the details or all the fields which are having lookup relationship to the account. So if we go to the account owner, so we want the email address of that. So if you search for the email, so you will get email, division, department, then whatever you want, you can get that. We want company name also, then you can have that field as well. If you want all, then you can select all. If you want any profile related fields, then you can go to profile and you can look for the anything like the name of that particular profile of the account owner. So it is accounts, account owner, and the profile of that account owner. So if I hit save, then you can see there this 4-5 fields which I have added are there. If you want, you can create a new section. Why you can means like why it is beneficial to create a new section when you have multiple or when you have n number of fields, then it is very easy to select the fields out of that section while creating a report. So if I name the section as account owner details, then I will let okay, a new section is created. Email field will be here, department will be here, then name will be here, the profile name is there, then the division will be here, so company name and then division. Now if you see the name, the display as is accounts colon account owner colon email. Now if I want to change it, double click on that particular field and just change it to account owner email. You can check it by default if you wish, you can do that. Now if you see the display as is changed, now it is account owner email. Okay, so this is the thing about the report type and the lookup fields which you can expose. Then I will hit save button. Now we will be creating a new report by using the report type which we recently created. Previously there were 63 fields, now we have added 5 fields in it, so layout has 68 fields. If you want to preview the layout, you can click on the preview layout and you will get all the details, like the account fields will be in the accounts, and account owner detail I have created a new section and added the 5 fields which we want. I have changed the name of this field, so it is now account owner email, but other fields are account owner department, account owner profile name, account owner company name, and account owner division. If you want, you can change each and every label of a particular field in the report type. Now we will go again to the report type, in the reports, and then I will hit on the new report button. It will take some time, I think so, to load. Might be due to network issue. If we will look for all, or so now if you see, our accounts with user is a custom report type which we have recently created. It is there. Now if I click on start report, and if you just go to this, you will see account and you will see account owner details. Okay, so now we can see all the details of account and account owner, also the details of account owner. Now if I want, the account name is already there, I want account owner email, so I can just drag it here, or I can just write it here. So it will be I can start with owner, so then it will be easy. So under section account owner details we have this. So what is the profile name? So now this will be the display as, in this it will be displayed as the account owner profile name. If you want to update it, then you have to go to the report type, edit it, rename it by double clicking that, and then it will be updated. So everything which we want to change in the report, you have to go to the report type and then you have to change it there, then only it will reflect in the report. Now we are removing all the filters, so we will see some data over there. So now if you see, the account name is recent, account owner email is this, the profile is this. But if we go with a standard report type for the account, in that we will only get account owner name, we will not get the email or the account owner profile. So that means, like in this scenarios, we can use the custom report type. So what we have learned basically in this video, like what is report type, how we can create a custom report type, what is the difference between deployed and in development checkboxes checked while creating a particular report type. If it is in the in development, then you cannot select that particular report type. Once it's deployed, then only you will be able to choose that particular report type. When you are creating a custom report type, when you click on edit layout, in that you can navigate to the fields of that particular primary account, primary object, or you can go to the related to all the fields which are related via lookup. In the same manner, if we have 2 or 3 objects, means in this case our primary object was account, if our second object which is related to account is account owner, then we can navigate to all the lookup objects which are for that for the user object. So that's all for this video. Thank you.